So welcome students. So in this question, you're given a quadratic equation x square minus bx plus c is equal to 0 and the roots of this equation are two consecutive integers. If that is so, what is the value of b square minus 4ac? So we know that b square minus 4ac is the discriminant, and with respect to roots, this relates to the difference between the roots. So if I say that the two roots are n and n plus 1 because they are two consecutive integers, n and n plus 1. So we know that the sum of the roots n plus 1 is nothing but b. It is minus of x coefficient by x square coefficient. And the product of the roots n into n plus 1 is equal to c. And what is the difference of the roots? The difference of the roots, which is equal to 1. So alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square, that is b square minus 4 times alpha into beta, b square minus 4c. So the difference between the roots alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. You know, this is a standard identity. So here alpha minus beta, the difference between this is 1 whole square is equal to the sum of the roots is b, so b square minus 4 times c. So the answer is b square minus 4c is equal to 1. Thank you.